Every now and then you might find yourself needing to run some PHP code on different versions of the language, and there's no better tool in the ecosystem for this than 3v4l.org or eval.org. And the TemPHPest extension lets you do this really easily. If I type some code here that I want to run, I can use the run via eval command. That's going to send a request off to the service and then show me the output directly here. So I can also see the output here, the versions that it was run between, and even have a link here so I can either share the output and the code or go and inspect it in more detail on the website if I want to. And I can come in here and maybe extend this to say the current version of PHP is, and then I'll append the PHP version and run this via eval. Because this way the output's going to be different between different versions. So now I can see quite easily it's output all of the different versions here, the different values that have come out on each one. It's really easy to go through and see what the differences might be between some versions when you're worried your code might break or behave differently.